I brought some objects with me today to help tell the story of how science has enabled us to bring such extraordinary medicines to patients all around the world. It's a story of wonder, a story of collaboration, and one that I'm excited to tell you about. With me, I have a notebook from the mid-1900s. When you take a step back, the journey of medicines is an extraordinary one. A few hundred years ago, we realized that chemistry might be able to impact human health. Now we're in this extraordinary moment where technology is truly blossoming across so many different areas. What I have with me here is a vial of mRNA vaccine from one of our sites here in Switzerland, where we are co-manufacturing this vaccine to support the global pandemic response. I think it's a powerful testament to how collaboration has allowed us to rise to the moment. It's a story of science. And lastly, it's a story of people who decided to work together in a moment of great challenge. This piece of artwork was given to me by the Novartis Africa team during one of my visits. We need to be in a position where we can bring these technologies to patients in regions like Africa, and challenging the paradigm that you can't bring the latest innovations to patients in the poorest parts of the world. At Novartis, I'm very proud that we've been on a decades-long journey to tackle access to medicine. And we believe over time this will allow us to dramatically improve the health of patients all around the world.